I don't want to break my nails or nothing, but it's cool though. I'm about to get something over here. It was like looking at the menu.
Come on, girl. What the hell?
Look, you hear some?
What, you got one more try, Zaya?
No, it's Kendall turn. It's Kendall turn.
Your arm hurt. What's wrong with your arm? Well, don't go with that one, go with that one. Oh, okay, this one, that's got it. Come on, Kendall. Come on, boy. Don't get any more. Come on, Kendall. Do your shit. What the hell on your damn nose? You got cheese on your damn nose. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we can leave right now. Huh? We can leave right now. I am.
Dang. I got 7. It's my mom's turn.
You said I can't get
Come on. Knock him down. Knock him down. What the? Come on, Zaya. Come on, Zaya. too far to the left. So throw it. Throw it straight. Throw it straight. Throw it straight. There you go. Yep. Knock it down.
Oh, there you go.
You should have got all of it.
Can I give you? It's like a little cycle.
Yeah.